Congratulations, eh. 3. Ay.
Congratulations!
Mali.
Wait, go.
Okay. Hindi, picture na lang kita. Ati, ano? Sige. Sige. Okay,
Pwede magsalita, no, Kap?
pwede na magsalita. Ready, go.
Ay, ikaw, Jing, hindi kita kilala. Pero kapatid ako ni Kuya Boy. Happy wedding. At sana maging basta-tagang buhay mag-asawa pagkatapos niyang kinasal. Habang buhay. Okay?
Bati kayo kay Jing. Wedding day niya sa 29. Saka kay Nelson.
Laging hintay ka raw ni Marja. May anak.
Hindi,
bata muna. Oo.
Sige.
Muna kami yung mga bata sa
3, 2, 1.
Nice part.
Yeah, okay. Okay, ready?
Sit down with them. Come on, sit down. No, go there. On a video.
Okay. Okay.
Say hi, Ate Jean. Wave the face. Hi.
Game.
Hi, Jing and Nelson. Congratulations.
Hello? Ay, ba't i-reply mo sa amin? Kami magba? Ate Jing.
Ayaw ito. Bilisan mo siya. Ano yung pakiramdam yan eh. Sabi nito mami ko to.
Yan, 3, 2, 1, sige.
Hi, Dimitri.
Hindi, ano.
Nelson pa?
Sige.
Nelson pa?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay,
Hi, Jean Nelson. Congratulations, your wedding day.
Hi, Jing. Hi, Nelson. First of all, we would like to say sorry. We're apologizing for not...
take 2.
Delete ko na!
Let's take 2.
Ay, who's that?
Yan na.
Damo.
Hi, Jing. Nelson. Congrats. Pasensya ka na kung hindi ako makakarating at makakarating si Jing. Ipadadala naman namin, baka kulang. Hindi ko lang sana magkaroon ka ng tampunan na.
Ay, pero naman.
Tama ba?
Okay.
Making your bed.
Hi. Magandang hapon, Pilipinas. I'm very, very good news.
Very good news.
Ay, mali.
Ay, dahil
Okay. Okay. Ready. Maganda. Thank you very much. Take 3. Ayaw lumikit. Okay.
Dapat
Okay. Action! Action! Ay, magandang araw Pilipinas. Very good news for Ging Elenson. Congratulations. Kasi na, gusto ko maka-attend sa wedding, no? Kaya lang, talaga pwede. Ano na? Anyway, I wish you good luck, and if you need me, I'm still here. Your best friend. Ito, kasama si Lian. Come on, Lian. Come on, Lian.
Go yan.
Okay. Come on. Okay. Hey, from here across London, here are the people who... Take four. Okay, take four. Okay, come on, Lian. Yeah. Here, from here across London, here are the people who loves you. Hi. Tama ba? Take three. Take three. Okay. Here again. Okay, come on. Yeah. Hello. Here from across London. Here's the people who loves you. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Pwede na siguro yan? You're
On. Hi, Broha. Hi, String. Just want to say sorry I couldn't be there for your wedding. Congratulations on your wedding. Kind of upset that I couldn't wear that awesome dress because don't know if you know, but I like to wear dresses. Let's go for coffee sometime. You know, catch up, and I'll see you soon. Miss you. Bye. Wait.
Take one.
Take two. Take three.
Take two. Think.
Okay, take two. Two. Wait. Ulit, sandali.
Take three.
Take four.
Take four.
Sandali ah. Okay, ulit. Di ba kakat mo naman yan ah? Mali, nakalabas pa ata yung...
Cut ko na.
Oh, ikat mo. Sorry, cut mo yan. Huwag mo yung sasama. We're going to making present. Okay.
Take two.
Nakala din na yan?
Yeah.
Pose?
Post. Take two. Ayan. Chink.
Hi, Ate Jing and Kuya Nelson. Congratulations on your wedding. Sorry I can't be there on your wedding day. I know it's gonna be the most amazing day for you. And I hope you've enjoyed... Ah! Shit!
Take three.
Hindi ko na kaya. I think yun na sa akin.
Sige.